Welcome to Humble, Texas, and the walkthrough video tour of this fabulous home. There's so much to discover in the walkthrough tour. 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms. Look at that landscaping and how inviting it is walking to the front door. The home's 2 stories and it has a 3-car garage, crown molding in this beautiful home office. There's 4,823 amazing square feet with formals at the front of the home. This large family dining room is decked out, connected to the kitchen. It's so easy to entertain, with class and style. Stainless appliances, custom cabinets, and beautiful countertops. From the moment you enter this former Trendmaker model, you'll know you're truly home. With the utility room right off the kitchen and a workstation, it's so convenient. The breakfast nook overlooks the backyard with an additional staircase and a bench seat. It really is set up perfectly to relax and entertain all at once. The family room has a gorgeous fireplace, and look at those floors. Wood floors, high ceilings, and custom lighting and paint. The kitchen and family room are combined along with the breakfast nook and overlooking an amazing backyard. The primary suite is a true retreat with a large sitting area, a fireplace, and lots of natural light. The primary bathroom offers double sinks with a vanity, a jetted tub, a large shower with 2 shower heads. And the primary closet has custom build-ins to keep you easily organized. Enjoy this spectacular family game room. With detailed ceilings and lots of natural light, this home has art niches throughout. There's also a nice media room and a hidden room, plus 3 large bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms on the 2nd level. Right here in the hallway, a custom-built workstation made of granite countertops with shelving and cabinets. More beautiful rooms await you around every corner. This home is private, large, has been lovingly cared for, and there's lots of closet space. There's a huge covered patio, custom concrete, no back neighbors, and gorgeous landscaping. No flooding in this home. Enjoy everything about living in Humble. Make this gorgeous estate home with views of the golf course yours.